Hello, folks. Welcome to the channel. This is a brand new series for me called Untitled. I've lost I lost two funded accounts last week. So in the last 2 months that I've been trading funding accounts at least, I've lost three in total. So I've decided to reset my expectations and my focus in trading. And so starting a new series, it's essentially a challenge for me that I'll be working on over the next year. So the challenge is that I'll be trying to reach 1 year without any tilt sessions. So obviously, this doesn't mean that I won't make any bad decisions or any wrong decisions. The only thing that I want to do in those scenarios where I do make those decisions is not to compound them with a handful of other poor decisions to try to make up for it, and then make a bad situation even worse. Part of that obviously is taking good setups. I think a big part of not going on tilt sessions is taking good setups that fit within your strategy that you can accept losses in. But it's just not compounding errors with further errors. So yeah, welcome to this new journey for me. This is probably for me the next step in becoming a good trader. I've got elements of the strategy down. I know what I'm doing with my strategy. It's profitable. It's a winning strategy with a high win rate, a one-to-one risk reward ratio. I understand my strategy, but the next step of becoming a good trader is controlling my emotions, which I struggle to do, and I'm still struggling to do now. So perhaps this might be a slight step back, but it's with a view to take 5 steps forward, essentially. So in terms of what I'll be doing with the channel, nothing much is going to change other than thumbnails for videos, I guess. So this is more like an internal sort of mentality shift than any sort of change in my trading. I'll probably be live streaming more often just to add to that accountability level, keep my trades on stream in view of people, and I'll continue to be transparent about my journey, the profits that I make, and all the failures that I have. Um, in any case, in terms of my trading today, had a pretty good day where I made profits in both the trades I took. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the New York PM trade, the afternoon trade. I had an issue with Guardian Angel Trader, so I missed out on a 3 out of 3 day for this. So in terms of the Apex accounts, I traded them in the New York session. Fairly simple trade. It was so we had this double top here, had this fair value gap, and we pushed out of it. And I was just looking for a return to this level, to this low, entry there, and looking for a one-to-one with a stop at this high, sort of like a breakdown pullback trade. And that played out pretty nicely there. So these accounts that I'm trading right now, I'm trading the four remaining Apex accounts. They're looking fairly decent. This 25K account has $800 to go till I can get the first payout or request the first payout with the consistency rules. There might be some sort of issues with risk management. I know I had tilted days with this account as well. So maybe I broke some sort of rules, but hopefully not, and I can get the payout with the first request. If I get there, obviously. In terms of the other accounts, I think one of them, maybe this one, is $1,000 away. So we're getting up there. They're all in decent profits. They've got a lot of drawdown left, so they're all looking fairly nice there. I'll just go to my Bullion accounts now and summarize that. So these had a good day as well. We'd been dropping down in the London session, had this sort of consolidation period, drop down. Couldn't get in any of the sells here, so I was waiting patiently. And then around here, we got a nice sort of double bottoming pattern here. You can see here we pushed up, pushed down, double bottom right there. So I waited for a pullback with a 125 tick stop and took that long. I was a bit nervous here. I'd been in the trade for about an hour. It was late in the session. I was feeling a bit nervy, so I just jumped out around where I should have. It was around 10 ticks away, but fairly happy with that trade. And now these accounts are again looking great. They're at the highest they've been, but it's not by much. I've been at around this level a couple of times with these accounts, so hopefully I can get 3 or 4 days where I can push them to that next level and start working around there. With Bullinox, you need to leave quite a bit of drawdown, and you have to request at least a minimum of, I think, $1,000. So I still need to make quite a bit with these accounts. Another 2,000 on this one probably, and 1,500. 2,500 on this one. So still a distance away, but I'm trading them twice a day, so hopefully that can speed it up a little bit. But yeah, those are the results for the day. Obviously, I did lose one Apex account. I'll be completely transparent about that. I did lose it, and that's why I'm changing some of my mentality. But it's still looking okay for now. I've got enough accounts. I just need to stop losing control when I do make poor decisions. But yeah, that's all for me today. Hope you've had a good day, and I will be back tomorrow. Bye.